everybody? It's AJ, the Travel Junkie DJ, and I am in Cancun right now at the Royalton Chic Cancun. Wow, this place is really cool. I'm gonna give you a tour of my room before it gets destroyed since I will be here for a week. So let's go check it out. All right, so we got some nice fancy art here at the door. Beautiful closet, a nice safe. Light comes on when you get nice and close. Pretty cool. Now check out this bathroom. We got ourselves a nice toilet. Nobody really cares about a toilet, but nice and clean. Some fancy artwork up on the wall. Then we've got the shower. Look at that. If you're a little tired, you can sit down. Have a little snooze. There it is. That's what I'm talking. Rain down on me, baby. And look at the side. There's lots of room in here. You can have a party in here yourself. And then there's those nice, beautiful his and hers sinks, or his and hers and hers, or whatever you're doing here. Lots of towel space. Some good. What is this? Some hand sanitizer. Yeah, that's great. We need that here. Lots of mirrors. Look at this bad boy. Oh, we got music on. Probably screw up my YouTube. Kick me off. Nice king size bed in this room. It's a pretty modern hotel. Like there's all kinds of cool stuff on here that I've never seen at some of the hotels that I've been at through the years. This is called modern, my friend. Nice TV, not as big as the one I have at home, but here I am on vacation. There is a pull-out couch if you have some friends over. Nice little desk, to do a little bit of work, have a little cerveza. Good spot here to put your baggage. Here's the mini bar. It is stocked with pop and water and some good stuff. No alcohol though. What's on this side? Oh, give you some ice. Yeah, this is a great room. I purchased this through Sunwing out of Toronto. Check out the view. A lot of people get upset because they don't have the ocean view, but this is an ocean view. It's just of the Laguna. If I can open this door. Check this out, people. This is what I'll be waking up to for the next 7 days. So yeah, there you go. Wow, what do you think? It's a great room. Some nice fancy art. Some more art up on the wall over here. Yeah. Oh, and one thing I forgot, which is really cool. Check this out. I don't know if you could see that because it was dark, but I just used my wristband to unlock my door. How cool is that?